These are the things that drive me crazy. Why are we lowering the bar when asked about like hiring diverse talent, or we can't find them? Like they're just some like weird truffle somewhere you got to find off the mountaintop in Italy. It's just the same conversations over and over again. I'm not racist. I hired so and so. That's actually not what we're talking about. It's very hard to really get people to shift their thinking and their behaviors if they are not held accountable to it, like they are their actual performance goals. And they need to be compensated based on whether they actually do them or not. I am a Black VP. Black VPs are a lifeline. When you have senior people that look like you, that to me is super important. If you are not creating the prototype of the type of leader that you want at your company that incorporates diversity, equity, and inclusion, then you're gonna have some serious challenges and problems. So if you're really caring, you want to spend some time and get to know. My name is Libra Clemens, and I am ready to make change.